Hi, I'm Andy from Backcountry Access, and this is our D-2 EXT shovel. It's meant to function really well as a hoe, but it can also be converted to a traditional shovel. Features a lot of the same stuff as our other Avalanche shovels. It has an ovalized shaft on here, allows us to use a little bit less metal without compromising strength, so we're able to make it really light. Comes with our B2 blade, which is our middle-sized blade, so there's no neck sticking up. And we actually weld that piece in there to actually add some strength to the shovel instead of just bending that metal around the shovel shaft. And then again on the front we have our nice relief pattern that adds a little bit of torsional rigidity to the shovel blade if you're shoveling out there in some hard snow. So right now I've got this thing set up as a hoe. If I wanted to switch this around and just use it as a traditional shovel, I'd just remove the blade, slide this piece down, and there we go. Now we've got your shovel ready to function in traditional mode. The handle on this thing is fully extendable too, so you can get good leverage if you're out digging in deeper snow. So that fully extends, so that's a real nice feature as well. I'm going to go back into the hoe, remove the blade, slide your shovel handle down, and put the blade on. And there you go. And that's the D-2 EXT.